Today is Adventure Day. So last weekend we checked out DuPont Falls and it was amazing.
You can see Meddy's right there.
Look at that! What have I been doing all my life? I should have been right here. This weekend we are checking out the falls in Transylvania County.
It's only a mile round trip.
We are in the Pisgah Forest.
Hey, it's mine.
Hey, you're stealing it.
You've already filmed the whole way here. All right, we're climbing. We're hiking just a 0.5 mile trail up to a waterfall called Moore Falls, and then we're gonna go take a look at Looking Glass Falls. It's gonna be a fun day of adventure, hikes, and we're also gonna go to the Arboretum in Asheville. So it's gonna be a great hike. Let's do it.
We're just right off the street here, and it's already like river territory. They got this really cool walkway here. All the steps are just laid right before us.
There goes Med.
There you are, James.
Yeah.
More life, more falls, more abundance. This is it.
We're just looking at the tree canopy here.
Yeah,
it's just amazing.
It is just absolutely amazing.
I love it.
If you love it, I love it. Everywhere I look, there's nothing but everything. Every single leaf is green. It's like as green as it can get.
Rivers everywhere.
Yeah.
Nature paradise.
This is the place to be. This is it. I can see the waterfall up there. Wow, this is beautiful.
That's so cool. It's like 50 feet up. Can't really tell with the GoPro, but it's like 50 feet, right?
I like how like way up there at the top, and it's like coming out of Jumanji itself.
Yeah, it goes
then
straight down.
We're going in the waterfall. I could totally just shower right there, like right under the waterfall. Should I do it, James? Should I just go right under the waterfall?
Yeah, you just walked right into it.
Should I just walk right
Yeah,
through
but I don't know if your phone is waterproof.
I don't know either, but it's time to find out.
No, don't do it.
Let's do it. Can I do it? I did it. I went through the waterfall. I couldn't help myself.
Ran right through it.
I just ran right through it. It is not raining today. It is just waterfalling. This is called waterfalling.
Meddy going and getting wet right here.
Like gold in the rocks or something. Well, I went through the waterfall and I kind of want to do it again, but I don't want to get soaked. It's so good.
This is definitely a drone spot. 360 camera on a drone. Good to go.
I can't help it. I'm just having a good time. Found you, James.
There you can kind of see some of the falls from over here. You have to kind of get an angle on it.
Yeah. This is the real Adventureland. Not Disneyland. Transylvania County, North Carolina.
Is the place to be,
That's the place for adventure.
Meddy, this is a great waterfall. Let's go check out more waterfalls. What do you say?
Let's do it, James. High five. This is going to be the Looking Glass Falls, like Alice in the Looking Glass.
We are now at Looking Glass Falls. Let's go down and check it out.
Let's do it.
Wow, that's pretty big. You can't even see the top of the rocks here, and how many ferns and interesting moss run across the rocks all the way up down the river. It's just, you have to be here in person to really soak in the moment and the place. all at once. It's one of those places you can't just photograph in a frame. It's amazing.
There's James. He's getting it. I like all the falls. This one, I just like this huge rock above it. It looks like we're in like some ancient lost civilization. Found this epic trail up to the waterfall. Yeah, I'm going up to it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna go up to it. I can't help it. This is epic. It's an epic shower of just all this mist. It's so good.